thought that this is not going to be good for me, so I used the blue one, which is a deep pore cleansing brush, for a couple of days, and it irritated my skin a lot. Hello gorgeous, this is me Irina and you're on my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Clarisonic Brush. Why did I decide to review Clarisonic Brush? I have a license in aesthetics, so I'm a licensed skincare therapist, and I was a little skeptical about it for the longest time, but recently I decided to try it and I ordered Clarisonic limited edition box from, I think from Ulta. Yes, so this was Clarisonic that they put together for the holidays, and there was a brush inside with the head, sensitive skin brush, and a couple of products of IT Cosmetics. So today I'm reviewing the brush. I used it for about a week and a half, 2 weeks, something like that, and I will tell you all about it. My reviews are all honest. That's why it's very valuable. Plus, as a licensed esthetician, I actually have a professional point of view on this. If you are interested in what I have to say, just continue watching. So I got the brush in the box. I did film the unpacking video and I'll link it below for you if you guys want to see it. I got the charger. So the charger looks like this. You can actually plug it into your computer. I'm not sure, but that's what usually happens when it's USB, and there is a power bank, and it's cordless for the brush actually. The charger attaches to the brush like this, and it means that it's charging. When it's attached, and this one is attached to the wall. So this indicator will blink when it's charging, and when it's completely charged, it will just continuously glow. I put the link below to the Clarisonic video about the charging, because it's really important to know how properly charge it, and the water thing. If the brush is waterproof, but the charger you cannot really immerse in water, it's very dangerous. So this is basically all about the charging, and you're supposed to charge your Mia 2 Clarisonic, which I have the Mia 2. It says it on here. So you're supposed to charge it for 24 hours before you start using it, which I of course didn't do, but let's see what's gonna happen, because I forgot to do that. Don't forget. So the brush head is already attached to the head, but it's very easy to remove it. You actually just press and twist and it comes off. The same way you attach it back, just twist and press and it's attached. So this brush head is very gentle, it's very soft. The bristles are white and pink color. That's how you know that this is a sensitive skin or just an everyday use brush. I first thought that this is not going to be good for me, so I used the blue one, which is a deep pore cleansing brush, for a couple of days, and it irritated my skin a lot. So I guess if you want to deep pore cleanse, just do it several times a week, 2 times a week, as you would do the exfoliation procedure. Be careful when you use this, because my skin is not sensitive at all, but it became irritated. After 2 days of using this, the deep pore cleansing brush, I started using the sensitive skin brush, and it actually does a great job. It removes makeup really good. So when you're ready to use this, I use it only once a day in the evening when I need to remove my makeup, or even if I don't have any makeup, I'll just kind of go over my face with it. Mia 2 has 2 levels of ultrasonic. The first one is gentle and the second one is advanced. So I use my Clarisonic brush with this cleanser. This is by Image Skincare, and it's ageless total facial cleanser. I love this one for the winter time because It has some glycolic acid in it, I think. Yes. So it has glycolic acid in it, there's glycerin, which is great, citric acid. So it's a great way to exfoliate your skin during the winter time. I would not use anything like this in the summer though. And it also has menthol, which is amazing. I wet the brush first. I apply the dime size of the cleanser on the brush. When you press on this button, if lower one is glowing, this is the first setting, which is a gentle one. You actually have to press this little button up here to change the setting, and the second setting is actually much more vigorous, so like you can feel it actually vibrates much more with this one. And then you can switch to the lower one, and it's again for a sensitive skin. But it has to go through the whole 60 seconds, so 20 seconds on your forehead, and then it beeps, and then 20 seconds on your nose, and it beeps again. Lean above the sink, and I, with the circle motions like this, I start with the forehead, and then you go to the nose, and then to one cheek, and then to the other cheek. So 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. If you'd like to use it on your neck, I guess just go on the sides, don't do here as much, because we have thyroid here, and they don't recommend to stimulate it as much. On a professional level, I can say that this brush is amazing, and just using once a day, it did make a difference in my skin in 2 weeks. It claims to remove 90% more pollution and dust from your skin, like impurities from your skin, and I believe it does, maybe not 90%, but it does remove a lot of makeup. It does purify your pores, so my pores appear much smaller after using this for about 2 weeks, and it just in general, my skin looks much brighter. I would recommend it to anyone who has cloggage in their skin as a regular maintenance. It would not take the blackheads out though. You would still have to get a professional treatment for that. Clarisonic Brush is amazing find, is amazing invention. The other amazing thing on the website now, they're offering to engrave your Clarisonic brush. I didn't get a engraving because I ordered it from Ulta, but if you use the code that I post below and you order it, you actually will have an opportunity to put up to 11 letters on it. So if you want to put your name on it, or if it's a present, somebody else's name on it, they offer it for free. And use the code below. If it's not available, it means that somebody else used it already. I hope you like this review, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and bye!